Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to add cinematic zoom through text. First go to the elements and click on the square shape. Now change the color of the square to the black. Now adjust the size as shown in the image. Once done, click on the text and add the heading. Now change the font type as per your preference. Add the text you want to display and adjust the size. Place the text in the middle of the template as shown in the video. Once everything is done, download the image in the PNG format. Now upload the downloaded image to the Canva. Delete the design we created previously. Now add the video to the Canva template. Adjust the size of the video so that it fills the entire template. Now add the previously uploaded image and adjust. Make sure that the text image is placed at the center of the template. Once done, click on the Remove Background option. It will remove the background of the image. Adjust the size of the video template. Now duplicate the page. Now go to the second page and click on the image. Now click on the position. In the Arrange tab, you will find the Ratio tab. Click on the lock icon and lock the ratio. Now change the width to 10,000. Now click on Middle and Center in the Align to the Page option. Now decrease the transparency to 0. Now add the match and move transition and adjust the duration. That's it. Now play the video. You can see that the zoom effect is added perfectly. This is how we add cinematic zoom effect through text. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.